we've been in this this nice establishment we call a shop. Today we've got a special project. We got a special project. It's my 1965 Plymouth Belvedere 383. She's back, she's beautiful, she's aligned, she's ready to go. It's got some nice Challenger seats, SRT Challenger seats, no doubt, that need to go in, that I'm going to be making some mounts for. Then we also have a full bag of goodies this thing needs to get, because tomorrow we've got an event we're going to go to. Probably one of the only events we're going to be able to go to this year. It's the two in the same week. This is going to be the Good Guys Heartland Nationals. We'll take her down there and we're going to cruise around, hopefully not have too many problems. What we got to do to get this bad poppy on the road and reliably: first, seat mounts. Second, RPM gauge. Next, oil, volt, water, gauges, rear bumper, rear belt too, alternator, and belt. Then check oil / fluids. Let's see what else we got.
Full roll cage. Just kidding.
Oh, if we're gonna go that route, I'm thinking that's gonna be about all we want to do.
Just for now.
Just for now. But in the future, I forgot the fuel filter. Most important. Okay, for now, that's what we're doing to it, and that's what we need to do. We also need to fasten the full front grille rather than just have the light bezels flopping in the wind. We also need to fasten the bumper all the way. Well, I pretty much build the seat mounts and all that. Alex here is going to be wiring up the RPM gauge, the oil, volt, and water. So he's going to be doing some research, because that's how you learn. And he's hopefully not going to, excuse me, but mess it up. That being said, let's get after it.
No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down. I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter.
Daily Driven Death Traps nature show.
They look hella good though.
Yeah, don't look too close. They're decent.
Gauges all hooked up except bolts. Just gotta tuck some wires. We have bumper on the back. Fuel filter in there. Oil pressure hooked up. Water.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh,
Sick.
there we go. Later in life, I gotta put a little cross member right there. But right now, those will ride for now.
Hey, well, it's better than the milk crate.
Way better than the milk crate. You
Compared to 7 this morning and right now, this thing's got a lot more done to it.
Oh yeah, we've went ham, to say the least. So we're not giving up. We're gonna give up here soon. As long as we get coolant refilled and get this alternator back on, and then we'll be back at it again on the road. See how far we last without any power.
Yep.
But
for some reason, always have problems charging on about every vehicle.
Yeah, every single vehicle I have. The only fight you ever want to do is alternator. Other than that, everything goes pretty darn smoothly.
Plan on bringing 3 or 4 batteries tomorrow, and
Yeah, worst comes to worst, that's what's gonna happen. Here's a few little wires right here that aren't very pretty, that take power from the alternator. They're all kind of corroded and old, so I'm just gonna clean them up, and then maybe that will help. Maybe we'll get something. Plus the battery cables are trash, to say the least. So it's just, you know, if you guys watched this channel before, it's typical kind of stuff.
yep. Purring.
Might need a new
One pair of pants later.
So I see you wanted to keep your seats nice and clean.
That's what you gotta do.
How was the test drive?
Fantastic. She got a little bit warm. Got 191. That's the highest it went. Other than that, needs some seafoam ran through, and I think it should do pretty decent. It looks good.
Oh.
Can't wait till the seat's actually electric.
And also welcome the new car to the channel.
Yeah, that's not the one we expected, but that's the one that's gonna get loads of miles. That's the trip car.
Almost 40 miles a gallon.
Yep, damn close.
Yo, how's your seat feel?
Feels like she'll listen.
Guess what? Your previous seat is right behind
I
you.
know, that's my just in case. I don't like these. Man, but I should might drive.
How's that QA1 suspension feel?
Pretty good. It just needs a sway bar and need to get that parallel 4-link in the back or triangulated 4-link in the back, and we'll be really nice. I think it'll be fantastic. It'll get down the road real good. Then I got to figure out though if I want to put power steering on it, which I don't know. Not bad at all. So I think this has a little bit higher than 410s in it because it likes the rev like a lot, which I'm not very fond of, but oh well. It is what it is. It likes it from behind.
No!